1. This is while example 1. So again, we want to write a program that prints or counts 1 to 100 and every time prints the counter. We still don't know the other loop, so for now we're just going to use while. As I explained, the first thing is we need to define a counter that basically counts how many times the loop is being executed. We initialize it by 1 because we want to count from 1. And then we can write our while counter less than equal 100. Inside the loop, we just print the counter. We just print counter. And we need to add 1 to counter because we need to count. Now let me run. You can see it generates the number automatically and keep printing them until 100. Let's say you forgot to include this statement. Let me make it a comment. This is the statement that basically changes the condition of your loop, so eventually it becomes false. If you forget it, you end up with an indefinite loop that forever your while loop is just going to print 1. Let's see. Just going to print 1 forever. And it continues until, you can say, just going to print 1. And it never stops. This is indefinite loop. So don't forget this statement that basically violates your loop condition. Later on, when I teach you the for loop, I'll explain that for this situation that we know exactly how many times we need to repeat a bunch of statements. For loop is better. We use while where we don't know exactly how many times we want to repeat the statements. But for now, we don't know, we haven't got to for, so we just implemented that using a while loop. And again, this is your result.